Here's what this stuff is. Trigger point therapy deals with a concept that is very, very real called referred pain. And this is one thing that doctors miss a lot. Now, referred pain is if you have pain in your hand, the pain is not originating in your hand. And that's again why it's such a waste of time, energy, and money, some of these solutions that doctors give. Oh, your hand hurts? Well, then just ice your hand. Take an Advil. You've heard that shit before. We've all heard that, but it doesn't work. It doesn't get to the root of the problem. Here's another one. Knee, right? The knee hurts. So say that my kneecap hurts, and they'll tell you, oh, it's a problem with your kneecap. If you knew how to apply pressure to the trigger points here and on the inner knee, you would get rid of that knee pain. And that's what I've done. But again, it's the education of knowing what referred pain is. Let me explain that in a little more detail. Say the kneecap hurts. The pain in the kneecap is not originating in the kneecap. It is coming from another point in another part that could be, close or farther away, and that's the pain being referred to that other place. My thumb, say my thumb hurts. That was one of the things that first started to just give me hell when I went through this whole transformation. I'm a guitarist. My thumbs just were in pain all the time, and I thought, okay, I knew there was a massage element. I started massaging my thumbs, but I couldn't really reduce the pain. It wasn't working like I wanted it to. When I started to learn, oh, this point is where pain is referred to the thumb from. This point in the back of the shoulder is where pain is referred to the thumb from. Everything changed.